This is Anne, the little Frenchie in Big Texas, and welcome to my city backyard. So I'm in Texas, Houston area. It is beginning of May, spring at full. We've had rain, a lot of sunshine as you see today, and the plants are loving it. And I just had my first harvest today. So I know it's not much, it's small, but it's a start. Everything is growing beautifully. So let me show you with just a few pictures and clips here how things are going in my city garden. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. So this is a very short video on how things are going in the city backyard. We have a full garden in the country that's growing and producing, because here obviously it's very limited, but it proves it can be done. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a blessed week.